Professor Beats, you're needed.
We're about to microwave a telephone.
See something to prop it up with.
Safety first.
Always remember safety first.
Don't try this at home.
Probably definitely try this at home.
Any predictions before?
Hopefully, it'll explode.
I think
Telephone. Microwave.
Microwaving in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Oh my god, already? Fuck me. No. That's on fire like so. What the fuck is that?
I know, what the fuck is all that? Let's try it again. Microwave telephone, round 2. Not really as impressive. Oh, fuck me.
Wow. Well, that was silly.